Let's do now some changes on the view just created. First of all, we set as current the view with the section lines to work inside it. We select the section lines and we use hide the entities command to hide them. Let's zoom on the view and then edit its properties. In the Modal Filters category, we activate all the filters and then we deactivate some of them manually. We use Regenerate View to apply the changes. The dimensions are now visible. We repeat the procedure for the view nearby. Zoom, Selection, and Edit Properties. In the Modal Filters category, we activate the most part of the filters. Then we regenerate the view to see the dimensions. By using Ctrl and right-click, we shift the view. We select again the first view. Let's change the dimension position by using Align command. We do the same on the other view. Then we hide some dimensions with the Hide Dimensions Axis Edges command. We can decide to hide the dimensions or axis or edge. In the selection list, we can set the entity type we want to hide among dimensions, axes, or edges. We set dimension. And we hide some of the dimension by selecting them one by one. We select the view and we set it as current. Let's change the position of some dimensions. With drag and drop we move them in a more readable place. Now we repeat the same operations in the other view. We open the Hide Dimension Axis Edge command to hide some other entities. Then we select Axis in the selection list to hide the central axis, and we select Edge to hide the edge in the bottom of the view. We set as current the previous view in order to move some dimensions from the view to the other. We select the dimensions, then click Change View and select the other view. With Auto-Place Dimensions, we reset the dimension position. We run the Hide Dimensions Axis Edge command to see the hidden entities. Let's insert some geometrical tolerance. First of all, we define the position, and then we select Entity Properties to assign the name A to the datum reference. Select Datum Reference and type A. After closing the dialog box, we click for positioning it. Now we insert a feature control frame with a perpendicular symbol and the value of 1 cent, always referred to A. Then we go back to the first view and we set it as current. We select an Hide Entities command to see the hidden entities. We select the section lines and they will be visible. Last, we save the drawing.